G'day, I'm Scott from Australia, and we stayed at the Forster Palms in Forster. It's a motel just right in the middle, and yeah, it's got everything you need. It's got we're in a room with 4 beds, so you take your family for the weekend or whatever. Yeah, it's in like a really central spot, so close to restaurants, shopping malls, like everything you need. It's about a 5-minute walk to the beach, which is great. So yeah, it's really nice there. There's a bowling club right next door, so they've got obviously the club and bistro, and you can go and play barefoot bowls, and attached to that is a 10-pin bowling place. So yeah, there's plenty to do, and Forster's like a really nice place. So yeah, definitely check out the Forster Palms in Forster.